You know, about that twin mattress, they're very inexpensive. I think 12, 15 bucks. You like it, and he like it. We can always get another one, but that's, you can put it in. I got a pump too. The pump was like 35 bucks, but the pump just stays here. But that,
Okay.
John took that mattress, fell in love with it. I got a second one under there. It's
Okay.
designated for Brian, but he hasn't used it. You use it, and I'll get another one.
Okay, either that or I'll buy
I don't, yeah, but,
for both.
yeah. I'm not saying you have to pay me. It's just if Brian sees you using it, you let Brian know that Mike will get him another one. I don't want any money from you for that. You do enough bodyguarding.
Yes,
The one thing I want is to be your chauffeur when you make it big, Hollywood.
Yep.
That's all I'm asking.
Yep, and I will leave you my chauffeur. If I make it big in life, I will have you my chauffeur, and I'll pay you.
Nobody else.
I'll pay you $100,000 a month.
All I want is Teresa's food.
Okay.
All right.
But she does have some killer egg salad.
She does.
Yeah, she does know how to make that stuff.